Hello and welcome back to the Hero Arts YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be introducing to you the My Monthly Hero Kit for December 2021. I will walk you through the contents of the kit and share with you some inspiration. This month's kit is all about cities and neighborhoods. You will be receiving a 4x6 clear stamp, 11 coordinating frame cuts, a fancy die cover plate measuring 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, city cling stamp that is 6x6, 4 sheets of black cardstock measuring 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, 3 reactive ink cubes in berry smoothie, fruit punch, and lemon drop, and also 10 clothespins. Here's a look at the background stamp that is included in this month's kit. It is a red rubber stamp, and I thought I would stamp it out for you to show the amazing detail that is in this background stamp. This stamp can be used on its own to create scenes, use it with the fancy die cover plate included in the kit, or stamp it out and fussy cut out the houses individually. Next, we'll take a look at the 4x6 clear stamp included in the kit, and I thought I would pop up an image here to show it to you better. It has some silhouette images that are great for adding to that cover plate die, some sentiments that include "Through it all, I'm here for you," "Thinking of you," "Wishing you weren't so far away." These are great for if you moved or welcoming neighbors to the neighborhood, so it has sentiments like "New address" and "We've moved," and many more. Next, we have the fancy die cover plate that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 and takes up a card front. So this is really great because it has this scene that you can create with it, whether it's ink blending or stamping or Copic coloring. And the design team has some amazing inspiration to share with you using this cover plate die. And as I stated previously, you also get the 11 coordinating frame cuts that go with the clear stamp set. So let's take a look at the design team projects. We'll start off with some ink blended backgrounds, which is really great since you are getting some reactive ink cubes in your kit. You can die cut the fancy die cover plate out of black or white cardstock, or really any other color of cardstock. The creative team has also created some amazing scenes by stamping the background stamp behind the cover plate die. They did some Copic coloring and paper piecing. You can take the background stamp and actually cut apart some of the houses to create a smaller scene. Hero Arts is celebrating this release with a blog hop filled with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. Now, these kits do tend to sell out, which means they will not be restocked. So if you are not already a subscriber to the My Monthly Hero Kits, I do highly suggest subscribing so you do not miss out on these amazing deals and products. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have an amazing day.